Hello, time for another unboxing. Today we're having a look at the Ironhead Squat Prospectors, their gang tactic card, and of course the Wytari Stormcaller for the Ash Waste Nomads. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of these products. So basically we are going to quickly just have a look at the gang tactics cards. Oh, I am going to need my rusty blade here. Get into the cellophane. And so these are up for pre-order as the airing of this video. And with the gang tactics cards, you get quite a few. Now these, I believe, are also covered in the new book. That's pretty darn cool. All sorts of goodness here. Too stubborn to die. Discard one injury dice of your choice before applying the effects. Actually, that's pretty darn good. Roll a couple injury dice and you discard whatever, right? It's pretty darn handy. So that is the Ironhead Squat Prospector gang tactic cards. I'll have a quick look at the Ash Waste Wytari Stormcaller. I don't know if I'm saying that name right, but yeah, now this appears to be more obviously like a Forge World release. There's a lot of little bits. I was going to open this up, but I don't think so. You know what? Even the bug. It's entirely resin. I thought maybe they would put the plastic sprue with this, right? And give you the plastic version of the bug. But no, the entire model is all resin. It's entirely, that's really interesting. I would have thought they would have just recycled the plastic kit for that, but no. Very, very interesting. I was going to open it, but it's got tiny little bits of resin all over the place, and I don't want to make a mess, so we'll save that for another day. Let's get to the Ironhead Prospectors. It is 8 Citadel models. The various options for building these guys out. Chartermaster, Drillkin. Very, very cool. I'm excited. I'm excited to see what these guys look like. Very, very excited. Let's just cut right into the plastic here. Oh, we didn't do the sniff test for the cards. It smelled like cards. Spoiler alert. I'm just really excited to get into this box of minis. Let's dive in. Let's have a look at these sprues. All right. So, oh, we got our instructions. Yeah, we got our instructions. Is there decals? I can't tell. No, no decals. I thought maybe there's some transfers. Pretty short assembly guidage. Okay, they're not terribly complex. Oh, look at that. How the heads slot right in. I kind of figured that the heads might be just built right into the bodies, just how it all looks. But yeah, you glue the helmets right in. I wonder if there's unhelmeted options. I'm wondering now. I'm curious. Box bases, or bag of bases. Looks like 2 identical sprue frames. Very, very interesting. So I guess it would be 4 on each frame. Lots of detail. I mean, they're pretty straightforward. Those guns are actually pretty big. I'm actually kind of surprised how big that gun is. That's that stub gun. These are the auto guns. Or I assume that's the auto gun. That's the bolt gun. I don't know. Ironhead Squat Prospectors. Oh, sniff test. Oh yeah, you can smell the plastic. I don't see any unhelmeted head options. They look, by the assembly guide, they're pretty straightforward. Just a torso, yeah, 2 halves to a torso, 2 legs, glue the arms in place with the whatever gun, and then attach the head. Not too bad. I dig these. I'm actually looking for, oh. They are, you can do them as unhelmeted heads. There's 2 sides to their head. I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but yeah, and then you can put the doodads in front of their helmets to block them off, or you can leave them open and paint their faces. That is cool. And yes, there are beards. I know some people were concerned about these dwarves not having enough beards, but yeah. So anyway, that is the unboxing of Ironhead Squat Prospectors and the tactic cards. Tactic cards, it wasn't really necessary, but you know, I'm sure some of you were like, What is it? Oh, right, we'll do the quick smell. Oh yeah, that's that card smell. That's that fresh card smell. All right, hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of these gangs and cards and models. Big thank you to my patrons. Without your support, these videos would not be possible. If you're considering Patreon support, click the link in the description below. You'll be taken off to a magical website called Patreon, where there are various tiers of support, and a huge thank you to everybody who does. Take care of your brushes. They'll take care of you. And I will see you guys in the next unboxing / sniff test / no, that's it. Just unboxing.